talk about how can you fix this problem on your how you can do that on your app, on your PUBG app, on your PUBG mobile app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps this here, and there you're looking for PUBG mobile app, or just click on search. Then here at PUBG mobile app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop. Click on OK here. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, search here for mobile PUBG or PUBG mobile app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.